Is your stomach talking more than you do at important meetings? You know what I mean? It's that gurgling sound that everybody looks over at you.
And don't look at me.
Well, that's actually a normal process called borborygmi. That's the sound that it makes when air and fluid are going through your intestines.
What is going on in there?
But if you have too much air and not enough fluid and vice versa, it can be really loud. Here's a little tip. If you're going to head into a meeting, eat a light snack of, like, let's say some almonds. That will turn on your digestive process.
It aids the digestive process.
Not produce a lot of fluid or air, and this way you can control the sounds that are actually going on, and people will listen to what's coming out of your mouth and not what's going on in your gut.